Hey, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. It's Curtis Hyde with Colorado Computer Support coming back to you for a Tuesday Tech Tip. I know it has been quite some time since we've done one of these, but hopefully we're back full time getting a tech tip out to you every single week, and thanks for hanging out with me for this one. So we're going to dive into a pretty popular topic that we hear a lot during this time, which is just email phishing. It's an abundantly massive topic and is becoming even bigger, and the reason why is there's a lot of hot topics out there that hackers are going after, and also cybersecurity hackers are very well aware of the aspect of turmoil companies are, where they're running a lot of hybrid environments. You might work from home a couple days, in the office every so often, connecting to different environments, maybe having issues with logging in or having password problems, and they're maximizing the availability to be able to attack you in this situation because there's so many unknowns or so many areas that people are not working in their natural environment. So a couple ways you want to avoid this stuff from happening is if you just see suspicious emails, just hit delete. Don't even mess with it. It's not worth the potential threat of a phish. Now, another thing also is your IT company should never be asking you for your password and your login. Okay, they should be virtually accessing your machine and then asking you to log in while they're virtually working with you. So if someone is asking for your password, just let them know you're not comfortable with that, especially if you don't know who they are. Sometimes it might be a different tech or a new person. Just let them know you're uncomfortable, that you'd like to log in yourself. Make sure you're changing your passwords on a regular basis. It's recommended every 90 days you should be changing your passwords, and also don't reuse a password that has been compromised. You hear that very often, oddly enough. A password's compromised and someone reuses that same password somewhere else. Once a password's compromised, please just forget it. Don't ever use that again. And another thing that people don't realize too is there's this form of an attack. It's like a phish, but they call it a vish, which is a voice attack. And you might be wondering, hey, how's someone going to attack me using their voice to steal my information? Well, how people do this is they'll actually call you on the phone and say, hey, I work with your IT department or your IT company. Can you do me a favor and log into this page? They'll send you to a certain website, have you log in, and what that website doing is just collecting that login credentials information. Maybe they're trying to steal some website information, email, maybe your QuickBooks access, and they're going to talk you through how to do this, make them sound like they're a nice person or an IT person. But in reality, all they're trying to do is steal and gain information from you. So just know that all the information you have and host and hold as you as an employee is very crucial to your company. Protect it. Make sure you are just not putting yourself in a vulnerable situation. Or if you find anything skeptical, delete it, hang up the phone, restart the connection, and just be very aware of what's going on out there. And as always, if you have questions, concerns, maybe you need a better response to what's happening with your IT, feel free to reach out to us. We're Colorado Computer Support. We're experts at what we do. You can always find us at 719-439-0599 or find us on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. Well, thanks for joining me for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. It was great finally doing one of these again. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next week. Thank you so much.